So I was recently asked why most entrepreneurs struggle because you're confusing profit and cash flow. See, profit is an accounting result. Cash flow is a business outcome. Profit is easy. It flatters the income statement. But cash flow, it's hard to figure out, and it exposes the business. So here's what the P&L hides. First, your non-cash items distort the results. Accruals like depreciation and stock comp shrink net income, but doesn't reflect actual money in the bank. And that's how capital spending drains your liquidity. See, CapEx doesn't hit the income statement, but it hits your cash flow hard. You look profitable while cash disappears. And that's how your financial activity becomes invisible. Loan payments, equity raises, dividends, they don't show up on the P&L, but they change your bank balance overnight. You think you're doing well until you can't fund growth, you can't pay obligations, and deals fall apart in diligence. So what really matters? Let's start with operating cash flow. Can your business fund itself? This shows whether your profits are converting into actual spendable cash. Second, you're investing cash flow. Are you building or burning value? This tracks capital investments. Healthy if strategic, destructive if unmanaged. And finally, you're financing cash flow. Are you in control of your capital? This reveals how you're funding the business and whether you're overly dependent on external money. You don't scale with profit. You scale with reliable, repeatable, strategic cash flow. Remember, profit tells a story. Cash flow tells the truth. Until next time, peace.